The price of rice is expected to reach between 42 to 49 pesos starting next month. This estimate is based on the assessment of rice industry players who met with House Speaker Martin Romualdez. This is due to movements in the price of rice in the world market and the anticipated effects of Executive Order Number 62 signed by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Yung target natin by itong buwan na Hulyo, itong July, magkakaroon tayo ng bigas at 45 to 46 pesos a kilo.
EO 62 aims to reduce the tariff imposed on imported rice from 35% to 15% until 2028. It will be implemented 15 days after its publication in the official Gazette on June 20. House leaders engaged with stakeholders from the Philippine Rice Industry Stakeholders Movement, or PRISM, and National Food Authority Officer-in-Charge Administrator Larry Lacson. PRISM recently appealed for the postponement of the implementation of EO 62 to allow farmers and stakeholders time to prepare for its anticipated effects. PRISM is composed of seed growers, farmers, millers, traders, importers, and retailers.
Andun pa rin naman po kami na umaasa na sa pagdating ng review ng nitong EO ay maisusulong na namin yung aming mga recommendations, especially dun sa ating mga farmers para po maprotektahan sila doon sa na mabigyan sila ng kaukulan na ayuda.
The House Speaker was asked when the promise of rice priced below 30 pesos per kilo in the market could be achieved.
Siguro by next year, nandyan na tayo, if not soon. But sa mga kadiwa, that will soon be available as well.
The government also announced an alignment of flood control funding allocations for irrigation to aid local rice production. Furthermore, the government reiterated its assistance for farmers amidst concerns over the flooding of imported rice in the market due to lower tariffs. Apart from this, hundreds of thousands of farmers are feared to be displaced.
Pagdating po sa sektor ng rice mismo sa kabuuan, napakalaki pong stakeholder yan ay yung ating mga magsasaka. So ang NFA po, ang commitment namin dyan ay laging maalalayan ang mga magsasaka sa kanilang pagtatanim. No?
Hindi naman po mapapabayaan ng farmers po dito. Tulad po ng aking nasabi rin nung nakaraang press conference po natin, for 2024, garantisado po yung suporta ng RCEP sa ating po mga farmers.
On Sunday, June 23, Samahang Industriya ng Agrikultura or SINAG announced their plan to file a temporary restraining order or TRO before the Supreme Court to block the implementation of EO 62. Apart from this, the group also plans to file a complaint with the Office of the Ombudsman against National Economic and Development Authority Secretary Arsenio Balisacan and other officials of the Tariff Commission for allegedly implementing tariff reductions without conducting any public consultation. Meanwhile, regarding the circulating photos of purported Romualdez rice on social media, according to Speaker Romualdez,
we haven't sanctioned that, so that will be rectified. But the most important thing is that we bring rice to every Filipino table at affordable prices.
Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.